Is your door making ghastly sounds when you open and close it? It probably needs a little bit of attention so that you don't have to call us out to your house. Never adjust the garage door. Leave that to the professionals. You are only here to silicone spray it twice a year to show you the proper way of making your door stop making ghastly sounds. You want to use a silicone lubricant on your hinges and rollers, and you also want to spray your springs. And the reason you want to use a silicone lubricant is so that it does not collect dust and other dirt into your rollers and springs and your hinges.